Hi, I'm Keith Luscinski with the Petzl Technical Institute. In this tech tip video, we'll look at installing the carry tool on your professional Petzl harness. The carry tool is a tool organizer that allows you to stow and remove your tools with one hand. The carry tool comes in a small and a large version. The small is rated to 5 kilograms or 11 pounds. The large is rated to 15 kilograms or 33 pounds. Both versions come with a hole for tethering your tools. The carry tool is compatible with the Volt, AVAO, ASTRO, and SEQUOIA harnesses. On the Volt, AVAO, and ASTRO harnesses, the carry tool slot is on the rear of the harness and is a plain webbing loop. Note that on the Volt harness, the carry tool attachment is directly behind the Volt seat attachment. The seat attachment has a rubberized interior and is not the carry tool attachment. The carry tool attachment is directly behind the seat attachment. To install the carry tool, start by inserting the nose through the top of the carry tool slot. Rotate the carry tool downward, and then make sure that the stabilizing clip ends up on the outside of the harness webbing. To remove the carry tool, reverse the process. You might need to wiggle the carry tool back and forth so this spur passes through the webbing. On the SEQUOIA, the carry tool slots are also on the rear of the harness, just above the SEQUOIA and Petzl logo. These carry tool slots are tighter than on the other harnesses, but the process for installing is similar. Install the nose of the carry tool through the top of the carry tool slot. Rotate the carry tool downwards. Again, to ensure the stabilizing clip ends up on the outside of the harness webbing, you may need to rock the carry tool side to side. Also, on the SEQUOIA, it's useful to apply outward pressure to the carry tool during this phase. To remove the carry tool from the SEQUOIA harness, the easiest way is to use two hands, fold the harness waist belt backwards towards the carry tool while pushing upwards and inwards on the carry tool. If the carry tool spur snags on the top seam of the webbing, rotate the carry tool sideways, then rotate the carry tool through and remove it completely. This was just a couple tech tips on installing the carry tool on your Petzl professional harnesses. For complete information, please visit petzl.com.